Hi, so today I'm talking about spring cleaning and decluttering. Except I really don't have time for doing anything. So, do you need to do your spring cleaning and you don't have time, it feels like? Here's a great tip to save you time and money and still get some spring cleaning done or decluttering done now. And a little bit every day is the thought. Here's a product I tried Sunday, and it smelled nice. I thought it was a great idea because it was an aluminum-free one, something new to try. That is something that's been sitting in my cupboard for quite a while, that I bought it and thought, oh, I'll try this, and then I haven't, and I've bought other deodorants since then. So I'm going through my cupboard, and everything that I haven't used or don't like, everything I don't like is just getting tossed as I go. And everything that I don't know, I'm trying it. Today I used a leave-in conditioner. I don't know how I got it at this point, but I'm trying it today to see how it works. One product at a time each day because I have allergies, and that's why I couldn't handle this one. It was a pretty smell when I bought it, and when I tried it and wore it that long, I was like sick to my stomach and my sinuses and my head. Just allergies, no thank you. So after doing this, I should have a whole lot less stuff in my cupboard. In my shower, I no longer have everything around. I used to have a pile of shampoos and conditioners and body washes and soaps and you name it, I had a pile of it. And I'm actually down to, what, a few? I did do a little bit of a clean out on the weekend, and this is my little box of things that I'm going to make sure I use up before I buy anything more. So the second part is no shopping for any of these items. So no hair care products, no teeth products, no moisturizing body products, no soaps, none of it. No hairsprays, no powders, none of it until these are used up. Because I have these, and then these are the replacements already. And then I have even more replacements, so we're not buying those. So I'm not spending time shopping for the stuff that I'm not sure if I still need anymore. And I'm not buying anymore because I still have lots here. Shampoos, soaps, all of that. Now with the body washes and the shampoos, if I didn't like them, I didn't just throw them out. I actually used one of them for my the body wash. I refilled the hand soap thing, and I cleaned my tub with a shampoo that I didn't like. And if you would like a time-saving tip for washing your tub after every shower or every bath, you just go along and use your scrubby pad as it's draining. Simple, easy, done. Every day, a little bit. And then I use a metal thing in the bottom to catch all the hair and the grossness. Another item is hair things. So these barrettes, that little piece at the end, catches my hair in them, pulls it out. I am not happy with that. So I'm getting rid of them every single time I try to use something. If I don't like it, it's going in this box and I'm getting rid of it. Here is a hair serum that I tried to use. I wanted to see if it would get rid of this frizz and hair problem that I had, and all it does is it's an oil. So it just weighs it down. And a lot of those products will give me allergies. I'll break out from them. Or I'll hate the smell and the allergies. So I'm kind of done with that. I'm going to see how many things I can get rid of this way, just by not shopping, not buying new, not replacing, and by just using up what I have and emptying it out. So I'm embarrassed to say that these are all items that I found were expired or just about empty. So I finished them off. And the embarrassing part is that some of them I had read to say they were best before 2018. And when I looked closer, some of them actually said they're best before 2008. So, yeah, that shows that I haven't been doing a good job of keeping up cleaning and looking things through. So, don't be embarrassed about your spring cleaning issues and habits. Just learn from them and then time to move forward. Because this was taking up a lot of space in my cupboard that really didn't need to.